Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be reviewing Todd the Pizza Plant Truck. Now, Todd the Pizza Plant Truck, also known as Todd for short, is a recurring character in the Cars franchise. He is a user pokey 2.4 litre engine, inline 4, who works as a delivery truck for the Pizza Planet restaurant chain, delivering pizzas and air filters to residents of California. He's also interested in demolition derby racing, having taken part in the Thunder Hollow Crazy 8 on at least one occasion. And in cars, having obtained 3 tickets at the Dynaco 400 Piston Cup tiebreaker, Todd attends the race at the Los Angeles International Speedway alongside Elvis. He is among the crowd of cars playing Daryl Carter and Bob Cutlass while they are filming a report for the RSN near the stadium's entrance. Earlier in the film, a pizza plant truck could be seen in the background of Mac and Lightning McQueen are leaving the motor speedway of the South. This truck could possibly be Todd or another pizza plant employee. And in Cars 2, Todd has 2 brief cameo appearances. He first appears on the Tire Talkie television show, which was shown in the Wheel Motel during McQueen's date with Sally. He's later seen as a spectator at the Radiator Springs Grand Prix. And Cars 3, Todd takes part in the Demolition Derby at Thunder Hollow Speedway. Starting the racing number 7, he is bumped into a wall by Superfly and consequently eliminated from the race. Upon crashing, the rocket ship from his roof falls off and is caught by a forklift in the crowd. And I see his physical description. Now, Todd is a user pokey 2.4 litre inline 4. He's painted in a yellow and white livery, and he has the Pizza Planet logo on both of his doors. He has the rocket ship representing Pizza Planet atop his roof. And Demolition Derby, he appears on number 7. Now let's see. Let's have a good look at him. So as you can see, he's quite rusty, dirty, you know. Pizza Planet on both doors, grey windows. He's got the rocket on his roof, which, quite well, you can move it quite a bit. Luckily, it don't come off. Now, if you're wondering what he's based on in real life, I think he's a 1971 Toyota Hilux. Correct me if I'm wrong. Well, the comments aren't disabled. Which, on my latest videos, most of them anyway, the comments are disabled, so let's look at the back. No, it's very, very plain, very simple, no number plates, yo. That's pretty much all to say. Goodbye, my precious.